Hello folks, welcome to the canal Channel Jose. Today we're going to show you, give you an idea how to patch or fix a puncture on a tire by using the tire plug kit from Slime. And these tools, all it is a couple long strips of rubber with some glue on the side, and then there's a tool that you gotta run into it and then use another tool to shove the plug in there, and then you can pull the tool out by leaving the plug in there. But these are really good handy things to have on the car, because if in case you get a puncture on the tire and you start noticing the air going down, you can get one of these guys and put it in and then stop the leak so it can get you to a safer place or get the tire inflated back up, because these are actually permanent fix that you can do on the road or at home. So sometimes you have wheels that you don't want to take to a tire shop because you're afraid that they're going to scratch the lip on them. So sometimes you want to do some jobs yourself. Today we're going to show you how you can actually do those patching yourself by using this kit. If it's a screw, a nail, something that is actually like a rod that goes on the tire, and then you can patch it with this. So that's why we're not taking this tire to a tire shop. We're going to show you how we are going to fix it ourselves. So this tire plug kit is pretty simple. It just comes with the 5 plugs, the rubber cement, the tool to clean before we shove the other tool with a plug in. So it's pretty simple. And then the instructions are that once we pull the nail or the screw, we can clean the area, the hole, penetrate the tire, then put the patch in the tool, shove the tool with the patch or the plug, and then once we pull that tool out, we cut even or flush the plug to the tire. So it's pretty simple. So we're going to show you how this is done, and you can do it with air or no air on the tire. So as you can see, here is the penetrating nail that is being in the tire, and now the tire is worn down. So we're going to replace this tire now, but we're gonna patch it so you can see how we can use these patches on a nail like that when it's on this side, on the bottom, when it's on the flat part of the tire. On the sidewall it don't work. It only works on this side of the tire when it's flat. Any puncture on this side, not on the sidewall. So we're gonna put some soapy water here so you can see the bubbles when they build up, and then so you can see that the air is coming out of here. So as you can see, that's where the air is coming out of the tire. So we're gonna be cleaning, pulling that nail or screw out to get ready for the patch. So first we're gonna be using these wire cutters and needle nose to extract this nail or screw. And then once we do that, we're gonna penetrate that area again with a tool that comes in the kit, and then that way we can get ready for the plug so we can shove it in and then pull the tool out and then cut flush. Now we open our kit. So now here are the tools. This is the tool that is gonna shave off or clean and get preset the hole for this tool that we're gonna put the plug through here, and then put it even on both sides, and then shove it into the tire, and then pull this tool out. The plug is gonna stay inside the hole or patch the tire, and then we're gonna cut it flush. So we start with that, and we're only gonna use one of these plugs for now. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna get this tool, and then we're gonna push it into the hole, and then we're gonna push it in and out a few times. And what it does, this is gonna file and get this rubber ready so we can push the plug through. So this is like a file for rubber. So we just set it and push it in, and then get the hole ready. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna grab one of the plugs and we're gonna pass it through this opening on the tool, and then we're gonna put it halfway through, and that way when we push this with the plug in right into the hole where that other tool is, we push it in and then we bring it back out, so that way it gets jammed into the hole, and then we can patch the hole. So right now we have that tool in there for the purpose so we don't lose the hole, and we know where we need to put this one in. So we put that patch or the plug right through there. So now what we do is we pull that tool out and we shove this with this point. We guide it in, and as it's going into the tire, this one is go like this, and then we're gonna pull it out. Coming out, this one is gonna get caught into the hole, and it's gonna pull a little bit, and then the whole plug is gonna get jammed into the plug, into the hole, and then we're gonna be able to pull this tool out. Because of this split right here, this plug is gonna be able to come down, and as we're pulling out, and then it's gonna slide right through the slit, and then it's gonna get jammed into the hole of the tire. So we push this in so we can patch it. So as you can see, there's no plug on the tool, so the plug is right in there. So we pushed it in, and as it was going in, then we reversed the play, and then we pulled the tool out, and the plug stayed in there. So all we have to do is now we have to cut this to get it almost even, but we gotta leave about a quarter inch of the plug. So we So now, as we can see, we left them a little bit more than a quarter inch long. So now it's just gonna, as the tire spins, it's gonna just wear that off, and then we don't wanna cut it flush because it might push the patch or the plug in. So we left it a little bit so it can make it kind of force itself to be worn down instead of being pushed in. So that's pretty good. So now, you guys know how to patch a tire with a plug, so you don't have to take it to a tire shop. Now we add soapy water so you guys can see that there's no more air escaping through that opening. And well, folks, hopefully this video was useful for this patch. It was pretty simple. We just used the tools that came in the kit, and then we used one of the plugs, and then we used a needle nose and some wire cutters to extract the screw. And we use some of the soapy water so we can tell where the air is coming out of, so we can keep track where the puncture is. So once we did the repair, pretty simple, we put air on the tire so we can put it back on the car. So this system works when you don't want to take your tire to a shop because you got a screw or a bolt in there that is about the same diameter of the plug. But if it's something that is a slit or something that is in the sidewall, this doesn't work for that. You might have to take it to a tire shop to get it fixed or even replaced. But for a puncture on a screw or a nail or something like that, on the flat part, it works perfect and it does great job. So you can do it at home. So hopefully this video was useful, and for the folks who are watching this video haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here on el canal El Chano Jose.